Sing it, honey. Sing it, honey.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything! My everything is good morning, ting ting! Hi, everything!
Morning, guys.
Morning! Rainy day! It's a rainy day today. My husband is going to the other house because it's a rainy day. And he need to lock the house. Hopefully there's no water. Right, B-boy?
There we go.
It's morning, guys. And kumakain lang kami ng... Look at it, what's in there. Look what's in there.
Oh, this is mold.
Yeah, it's not a mole. It's growing.
Is it?
Yeah.
But if it's growing, then you should have it looked at.
No.
If it's growing, it needs to be cut off.
It's cancerous.
Yeah, it's not good if a mold grows.
It's growing bigger. Look, and it's getting bumpier. Did you feel it? Lumalaki talaga siya, guys. Han, itchy Han. Can you please itchy Han? Oh my god, oh my god. It feels so good. Naawa ako kasi ayaw niyang pumunta doon kasi sobrang init. I feel bad for him. He's going to stay at the hot house. The heat is crazy kasi walang air conditioning. He doesn't turn the AC. It's a waste of money kasi daw. You think you can turn it on if you need to? You can just open the window. Dito lang ako, guys, just watching YouTube and yun. And ito sobrang busy. He's like, I don't know, he's just like doing stuff. Hey. You don't have to clean up, just get what you need to bring. Okay.
Your kids' data, all of that information to end up in the hands of the Chinese, not to mention the fact what...
It's time for me to take a leave kasi meron ako ngayon.
Log it under the Congress. So basically, they can dig up dirt under the Congress and get them to vote their way. Imagine that.
Imagine that.
What's scarier than that?
Anyway, so yun. Ngayong umaga, akala ko the other day magkamaroon ako. Ngayon dumating. Dumating. Did you give the cat something already?
Dry? No, it's too early for that.
Okay, why the bug is opening the gate?
What?
You open the gate or the bug?
No, I opened it up. Put something in.
Labas lang kami, guys. Hi, Mister! He's leaving me again. Magdala siya ng laptop dahil wala nang ano doon, walang tawag nito. Walang TV. Luckily, may internet. Wala namang ulan. Tinitignan namin yung camera doon sa isang bahay. Walang ulan. Wala kaming makitang ulan. Ganun. Pero may mahangin-hangin konti. So, hopefully, hindi uulan ng malakas. And then also, hindi ulan bukas.
So I'm eating whatever little scraps left in the dish.
Come here. He's giving you see.
I have a wire. I found. Got it?
Where did you find it?
In the bag.
Okay, do you have the...
I think it works. Do you have anything I plug in to see if it works?
It's all upstairs, honey. I don't know that.
I'm sure.
Just bring this one.
I'm sure this works.
Ayan, boring na naman yung life, hon. Life is boring, honey. You guys, Dada is leaving.
Put your mask in here.
Yeah. Just leave that over there. Leave it there.
Hon, they'll still be here when I come back.
Oh my God, what do you think of me?
Hon, I think they'll still be here when I come back. That's what you asked.
There's something else with you. You think I don't know how to clean my own house?
It has nothing to do with what you can and what you can't do. What you do know.
Okay, tell me why you think I don't do that.
You won't do. There's a difference.
Okay, well, tell me why you think I don't do that. I won't put that away.
We've been doing this long enough. This way, at least it's done. I know it's done. It's over. It's done.
Nah, he's crying. Yan.
Of course he is.
Look, that's who he is, guys. Is spices and tolls. This house is full of spices and tolls. Right, big boy?
Spices don't make everything taste better.
Everything tastes better.
Like commercial. Everything better with blue bonnet on it.
Sing it, honey. Sing it, honey. You're starting already. Sing it. Sing
What do
it.
you know about all this stuff?
I don't know. Allah, Han, your son, Han. Look, you think you don't even do follow instruction, Han. You don't follow instruction.
So.
Han, maybe that's not good to drink before driving, Han.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh God. Okay, honey, I just give them treats. Now, Hubs is coming. Oops, it's coming. Because you're going over there. He is so spoiled. He's spoiled. Look at him, guys. He is so spoiled, that boy. He tried to, yeah. Halis na si Tami. So, ngayon, ako na lang dito mag-isa. And then, kung uulan bukas, pupunta ako doon para bisitahin siya. Noon. And then, mag-ano din ako sa basement. Ganon. And yun yung gagawin ko. Hopefully, babalik siya dito bukas. Hopefully, hindi ulan. I think it's not going to rain tomorrow, Han. It's not going to rain tomorrow.
3 hours later.
It's already 7 o'clock. Ang ginawa ko lang, guys, is nag-i-edit ako ng nag-edit habang wala si Tami. So, yun. Ang galing ako sa labas. Nag-spray ako sa eggplant ko na naman. Yung, dito. Look, kailangan talagang lagyan ng ibang Huy, nag-fog yung camera. Nagpa-fog yung camera. Pasensya na. Ang init kasi sa labas talaga. Grabe. Hindi ko kinaya sa labas. Meron pa pala akong nakalimutan mga cucumber. Diba, nag-harvest ako. Meron ako doon nakalimutan. Naputi na talaga yung tumanda na yung cucumber kasi nakalimutan ko. Hindi ko siya nadala. Hindi ko siya na-harvest agad. Masakit din yung puson ko. Inom ako kanina ng alib. Masakit siya. And, so ngayon, bumalik yung sakit na naman. And, yun. I-end ko na to ditong vlog. Wala masyadong ganap kasi hindi ako nag-vlog kanina pag alis ni Tami. Kasi wala mong ganap. Ano man yung i-vlog ko. So, yaon. And, yun. See you na lang bukas, guys, ha. Good morning everything. Ngayon, nakapag-base tayo, nakapag-alaga tayo ng mukha. And today is, wala si Tami. Wala yung tamimoy natin, guys, kasi andun sa isang bahay. Before tayo magpunta lang ako sa taas kasi gusto kong mag-film kung yung winner, i-announce yung winner. So, nag-i-edit ako ng video, yung mukbang. And wala naman akong kulang man yung clip ko. So, doon ko na lang siya ilalagay yung announcement sa winner ng nanalo ng load. And yun. So, hopefully napanood ninyo yan kasi andun yung yung mukbang namin ni Tami sa sasakyan. Ako lang pala. And yun, doon ko in-announce yung winner sa second giveaway natin ng load. Hi guys! So, ngayon, naka-harvest ako. Isa lang yung kinuha ko. Pero, marami pa kasi dito. Look. And, ang dami ko pa dapat kukunin, pero nasayangan ako, baka maano lang sila, masira lang. Saka meron pa ako dito, oh. I think I'm going to cook that tomorrow. I don't feel like cooking this. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Meron naman akong 5-5. Ito sana yun siya. Parang gisaba with sardines. Ito siya. Pero, tignan natin. And, at saka, you know what guys? Nasayahan ako ngayong, dahil, yung menstruation ko usually, siya, mahina yung, TMI po tayo. Pero this time talaga, ko siya na, yung malakas, as in malakas. Pang 5 beses na akong nag-change ngayong araw ng kasi malakas talaga siya. Malakas talaga siya as in. First time ko to na sobrang lakas yung ko. Kasi may time talaga na parang wala, and then 2 days lang nawala na. Ngayon, 2 days, malakas pa rin siya. I'm sure bukas, wala na to. Yung posa ba, gutom na gutom. Lalo na si Habs. Kasi kanina pa yan, guys. Nag-ano ako sa laptop ko, diba? Nag-i-edit ako. And then, nakaupo siya in front of me. And then, nakatutok lang siya, guys. Nakatitig sa akin, ganun. Kaya, tumayo ako. Eat your din. Eat. Dirty same little boy. They're the same food. Tapusin ko lang tong nila. Baka alis ako bukas. Ngayon sana ako alis kaso sabi ko na ba meron ako, ayaw kong umalis. Hello! Hi, what's going on?
Same old crap. How about you?
Same old. Where are you?
Oh, yeah, here's
You left already?
Yeah.
Okay, and did you open it?
I did. Graham was laughing her ass off.
Huh?
Empty paper bag. The Claire was laughing her ass off. There's an empty paper bag and like 3 rubber bands.
That's funny.
One hose had a bunch of leaks in it. Got another one. That one's got leaks in it. So she asked me if I could fix them. I said, oh, I can fix them, but I have to hold that up on it.
And ito na yung ulam na niluto ko, guys. You know, sardines with cucumber and scallion. Let's see, guys. Ito-try natin yung niluto natin. Kasi the other day, hindi ko siya nagustuhan yung niluto ko. Ito naman, parang masarap siya. I feel bad na my husband is not here, guys. I'm sure hindi siya kakain kasi sardinas, pero for sure I can make it with pork naman. Pero yun. Pero meron daw siyang kainin dun Meron daw siyang ulam, meron daw siyang ano, vegetables, pasta yung sa kanya with beef, with pork, I think, or beef. Ang init. Masarap naman. Masarap siya, guys. Masarap siya, as in, akala ko hindi okay kasi yung first time ko niluto ito with zucchini, hindi siya okay. Masarap with sardines. Masarap. Sardines. Sardines with cucumber, ang sarap. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Anyway, close lang natin itong blind. Natutulog na si Tami. Naka-FaceTime ko siya pero hindi ko na siya inano kasi natutulog siya. Tinawagan ko, sabi ko, nakauwi na siya. And then sabi niya, matulog daw siya kasi mamaya may ulan malakas. Kasi na-busy siya, guys, doon sa pinsan niya. Nag-ano siya, may inayos. And then also, kasi kagabi daw, ang nangyayari daw doon sa isang bahay kagabi, may ulan. And I think hindi siya, sabi pa niya, parang hindi daw yun ulan. Naglilik yung bahay, parang yung sa ilalim ba, diba, sa basement, may pipe na tumutulo. Dumadami daw yung tubig, yung pump, pinapump yung tubig. Ngayon, hindi daw niya nabantayan, 2 o'clock ng gabi daw natulog siya. Hindi niyo namalaya na yung sensor is tumunog, and then yung pump nag-on, hanggang nawala yung tubig. Na-burn out daw yung ano, pump. So, nasira. Ngayon, 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock, nagising siya. Na yung pump, sira na. Ang nangyayari, 3 o'clock in the morning, inayos daw niya. Kinuha ko lang yung lipstick. Inayos niya yung ano, pump. Naayo daw. So, naging okay yung pump. And, binalik daw niya, pagdating daw niya galing sa pinsan niya, inayos agad niya, binalik niya agad sa basement yung pump na inaayos niya. Ito ang asawa ko, no, kahit ano na lang yung ma-okay. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure kung kailan si Tami uuwi, pero yeah, madilim dito sa bahay. Anyway, good night. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye!